Have you ever seen an Amish garden? Rows of vegetables stand perfectly straight, lush, and vibrant. But what's truly remarkable is what's missing. Almost no weeds. How do they do it, without chemical weed killers or endless weeding? Their secret isn't backbreaking labor, but a deep understanding of the soil. The Amish see weeds not as enemies, but as messengers, signs that the soil is out of balance. Weeds are nature's first responders, covering and healing damaged earth. For the Amish, gardening is a spiritual practice, a way to connect with the land and provide for their families. They treat soil as a living ecosystem, teeming with life. Chemicals would harm this sacred balance. Their goal isn't to kill weeds, but to nurture soil so healthy that weeds can't thrive. The method is simple. Feed the soil, not the plants. Add organic matter, protect soil structure, and encourage beneficial life. Healthy soil grows strong plants that outcompete weeds naturally. The absence of weeds is a result, not the goal, a garden in perfect balance. It's a lesson in patience, observation, and working with nature. To follow the Amish way, you must see soil as a living community, not just dirt. Good soil smells rich and earthy, the scent of life itself. The Amish treat their soil as a precious inheritance, feeding and protecting it. 1 teaspoon of healthy soil contains more organisms than people on Earth. Bacteria, fungi, and earthworms break down organic matter, creating nutrients for plants. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides disrupt this web of life, weakening soil and inviting more weeds. The Amish feed soil life by adding organic matter, compost, leaves, grass clippings, manure. Nothing is wasted, everything returns to the garden. As compost breaks down, it forms humus, the heart of fertile soil. Humus helps soil hold water, stay loose, and support deep roots. The Amish never leave soil bare. Bare soil is vulnerable to weeds and erosion. They always cover it with plants, mulch, or cover crops. This protective blanket keeps soil life safe and thriving. A well-fed, protected soil is healthy, and healthy soil has no room for weeds. That's the Amish secret: nurture the soil, and the rest follows. The Amish philosophy comes alive in a method called lasagna gardening, or sheet mulching. It's a way to build a new garden bed right on top of grass or weeds. No digging required. Start with a base layer of cardboard or newspaper, overlapping edges to block light. This smothers weeds and grass, turning them into fertilizer as they decompose. Next, alternate layers: green, nitrogen-rich, like grass clippings and kitchen scraps, and brown, carbon-rich, like leaves and straw. Use 2 to 3 times more brown than green. Build layers at least a foot deep, finishing with a thick brown layer for moisture retention. Water well, and let nature work. Over months, earthworms and microbes break down the layers into rich, fluffy soil. The cardboard rots away, weeds disappear, and you have a perfect weed-free bed. No digging, no chemicals, just working with nature. This is the Amish way. Transform, don't fight. Let the soil do the work. The Amish know that weeds are more than nuisances, they're indicators. Each weed reveals something about your soil's health. Dandelions and thistles thrive in compacted soil. Their roots help break it up. Clover signals low nitrogen and works to fix it naturally. Plantain points to clay-heavy, low-fertility soil. Chickweed loves nitrogen-rich, damp soil. Purslane appears in dry, low-calcium spots. By observing which weeds dominate, you diagnose your soil's needs. The Amish cure is always the same: add organic matter. Compost loosens compacted soil, manure boosts nitrogen, and mulch protects. Don't fight weeds, change the conditions they love. As soil health improves, weeds disappear on their own. Nature's messengers leave when their work is done. A healthy, weed-free garden is a continuous cycle, not a one-time fix. The Amish replenish what they take using crop rotation and cover crops. Crop rotation means not planting the same crop in the same spot each year, preventing nutrient depletion and breaking pest cycles. Heavy feeders like tomatoes are followed by light feeders, then by nitrogen-fixing legumes. After harvest, cover crops like rye or vetch protect and enrich the soil through winter. In spring, these are cut down and left to decompose, feeding the next crop. This system builds soil, suppresses weeds, and sustains fertility. Lasagna gardening, rotation, and cover crops create a self-sustaining garden. The Amish secret partner with nature, trust its cycles, and garden with gratitude. Healthy soil, fewer weeds, abundant harvests year after year. That's the true Amish way.